what's up? Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching Brinspeed TV. It's 3-valve Wednesday. Today we have an 05 GT automatic, PAXTON supercharged, laying down over 500 raw horsepower. We're gonna watch that dyno pull. I have Doug with me. Let's go take a look. Okay, before we go down and take a look, a couple things. How much does this cost to get installed? Email quote at brinspeed.com. We're in Indiana. Open that description. You can, in this video, you can click on each link of the parts I'm getting ready to talk about. Doug, come down here, take a look. So what's on this? It's our PAXTON Novi 2200 supercharger package, coming at just over 10 pounds of boost. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, fuel pump upgrade. It's intercooled, killer package. It also has a twin 62 BBK throttle body that was already on the car. We installed Detroit rocker camshafts. It already had a set of Cook's long tube headers. That's a perfect package for these numbers you're gonna watch. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna check out the numbers, but hey, if you're new to this channel, a lot of you that watch these all the time already know this. I'll put a link to a video at the end of this. It's like how much power is too much power on your stock engine 3-valve Mustang. So this is an automatic 93 octane. Check out these numbers: 500 real horsepower, Dynojet SAE, peaking at 6,400 RPM. Torque comes in at 428, peaking at about 5,400. Boost 10.6 PSI, right at 6,700 when we started to leave off the car. But check it out, this car is super clean, automatic, 93 octane. This can be a total daily driver. You get that nice lope Detroit rocker camshafts. And we also have these in non-intercooled. They're called our throwback package. Check that out on brinspeed.com. Have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. Have a great day.